Hello, my name is Jared Bidabu, and I'm from 8 Nara. This is Miniature Vlog, and I'm gonna teach you about this fruit. This is called santol, or in English, cotton fruit, and it belongs to the Meliaceae family. Its scientific or genus name is Andoricum kojic. Take a look at this fruit. This fruit is color yellow, right? But some people say it's color orange. It will turn yellow or orange when it's ripe, and when it's not, it's color green. This fruit is very hard to get because of the height of the tree. And this fruit is one of the favorite fruit of the Filipino because sometimes it's sweet or sometimes it's sour. Ay ibang tao ay binabato ito o pinupukpok upang ito ay mabuksan. Ngunit may mga iba pang paraan upang ito ay mabuksan. Gaya ng ganito. Lalagay mo sa iyong mga palad at iyong pipigain ng madiin. At ayan. Kita nyo? Hindi siya pwedeng makain dahil siya ay bulok. At kita naman sa kanyang panlabas. Dahil ito ay galing na sa puno at nahulog na mula sa mataas pababa. So now, as you can see, we can't eat this because it is not in good condition. Later, I will show you what is the tree of it looks like. Like I said, there are more santol trees that much taller or shorter than this one. It depends on what soil or land it has been planted from. Like this one. It is not as tall as the other type of santol trees. There are some santol trees that are much shorter than this one. So that's the all information that I can give to you. Again, this is Jared Bidabu from 8 Nara. Hope you learned something. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye!